Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and proximity. Charge both devices and keep them close. Next, open settings on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location so pairing services can discover the watch. Then install and open the manufacturer app. This app manages profiles and permissions. Once done, create or sign into the account the app requests. This links cloud services and backups. Make sure notifications and background activity are allowed for the app, so the connection completes smoothly. Now you actively pair. In the app, choose Add Device or Pair New Watch, then select your exact model so the app applies correct settings. The watch will display a numeric code. Confirm that same code appears on your phone to prevent accidental pairings. Grant the requested permissions: Bluetooth, location, notifications, and contacts, because the watch needs them for calls, alerts, and syncing. Once the app shows connecting, wait for setup tasks like time sync, watch faces, and app installs to finish. Finish by reviewing sync options and customizing watch preferences. Pick watch faces, notification filters, and auto-update settings so behavior matches your routine. Test functionality. Make a call, trigger a notification, and check fitness data sync to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, reboot both devices first, then toggle Bluetooth and location off and on. As a last resort, unpair and factory reset the watch, then repeat the pairing steps. This clears stale connections and usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.